Okay, so yeah, here's the thing. Fishman Precis 2, I don't know what that is. Probably some thing to make the thing sound better, probably. So that's the thing for the strap. And made in Indonesia. Same with the Ibanez that I have, the electric guitar. Doesn't seem to have any damage, I hope. So yeah, so I need to buy like a case for this, hard case, because I only have like the one for the electric guitar, not for this type. Let me get the thing. Yeah, this was the other one that I bought. It's an Epiphone Les Paul Pee-wee. Well, I thought this is just a tad bit smaller than the full size, but I was wrong. It's tiny. Yeah. So that's why I decided to get this thing over here. Sam Ash is marketing it as a J-45 studio, but other retailers, sorry, a J-45 EC studio from Sam Ash, but other retailers are pretty much using a different name for it. Some J or some AJ something. Wait. Is this the correct one though? It doesn't have an AJ on it. No serial number. It does have that thing over there. Some mark. I guess I'll have to check, because this SKU or product number let me see. The EE2SVS NH3, it should have an AJ inscription on that top part over there, on this part here. Should have an inscription or some label on it. So yeah, let me check that out.